Today I am sharing how to make ginger pesto. Use this in stir fry with salmon, chicken, or anywhere you want a boost of ginger. Slice your ginger so it will be easier on your processor. These are the ingredients we will use today. I have ginger, garlic, extra virgin olive oil, 3 simple ingredients. In the food processor, 2 cups of ginger, 1 cup of garlic. Blend until it's smooth. This is ready. This is what it looks like. We don't sell ginger pesto, but it is a perfect complement to our sauces. We use glass jars for our shelf-stable sauces. You can recycle them or use them for things like this ginger pesto. Ginger pesto will last a couple weeks in the refrigerator. Make some extra and store it in the freezer, and share some with friends and family. For more sauces and recipes, visit us at sympaticofoods.com, and please subscribe to our channel.